nobody use it. And if you use, anyways, I'm recording POV with my Action Cam 4. Trump has a good relation with Erdogan nowadays. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is NS Explain. This was actually NS Explain channel, which was, my name is NS and the NS Explain, so NS Explain. But I think I have to change this name. I've been thinking about it like 3 months, restarting YouTube, and I decided I update the channel's name to NS Garage, so which is basically talking about my garage stuff, fixing motorcycle, cars, maybe some hunting, rifles, etc., driving. So I decided to restart YouTube, and I decided to change the channel's name and the logo. So here we are in the first video. So I'm driving from Istanbul to Tekirdağ in Turkey with crazy traffic conditions. Like if you are, they say if you drive in Istanbul, you can drive anywhere in the world. I think this is true because I personally did that. I drive maybe over 30 or more countries, which includes all of European countries, Tunisia, and I think Cyprus, the right-hand drive. I drive everywhere, almost everywhere in Europe, and I think after Istanbul, it's like easy taking the driving mode from hard to easy, because people are crazy. Like, you have to predict what they will do. Okay, nobody use their turn signals. I think some cars in Turkey comes without the turn signals. You know, nobody use it. And if you use it, if you ever use it, like on the way, they will block you. They will not let you pass. You know, you want to go left here, for example, the car behind you, if you use your signal, he says, don't go, I will not let you, you know. It's crazy. And this is the what channels will be about. The cars, motorcycle, fixing, detailing, the target shooting with POV views maybe, or like a chest view. We will see. I'm currently working in a wheel factory in Turkey. We are producing alloy wheels and exporting to all Europe. Trump has a good relation with Erdogan nowadays, so we have tax advantage from China, and our quality is much better than Chinese wheels because we produce under low pressure casting. I'm going too much into details, sorry. So guys, I've been into wheel business, alloy wheels, for 7 years. I was working in RCO wheels. I was the team leader that bring the RCO wheels to European markets. We had customers in over 39 countries, but I think I jumped out from the company, from RCO, in the very perfect moment, because now they are in the Concordat process, like they are going bankrupt, and I switched to a factory that's producing for RCO wheels, because RCO wheels was not a producer, it was just a brand, you know. Now we are a producer, and like everything is much easier for me now, much faster. And very common, you see doggies or cats on the street of Istanbul, guys. In other countries, I never see that. Anyway, guys, the car I'm driving is Daihatsu Terios 2008. It is the second version of this car. It's Terios G200, I think. In some countries, it's Toyota Rush. In, for example, UK, Cyprus, it comes with Toyota logo, and with the engine is the same. It's Toyota engine. I think it's the most convenient car I ever owned, you know, because it's small, it's best for the city drives. In Istanbul, you go many like ups and downs. It's 4x4, so it's very good for that. My wife, she is actually daily drive this car, because in Istanbul I use mainly my motorcycle, so my scooter. I don't know if this car you guys have in US, so I don't know. But if you have, definitely get one. it's very good. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you very much.